Hello everyone, welcome to our series of the thoughts on education of the College Dunya. So today we invited our guest, Assistant Professor Dipanti Joshi, which is the Assistant Professor in the SAL Institute of the Management. So ma'am, thank you for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thought on Education.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so ma'am, we start with our interview with our first question. Ma'am, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Yes, I've connected with academic institutions since 2016, and it has been a very long and very prosperous journey. Being a part of education industry, it gives me motivation always to connect with the students, to connect with the youth. That it keeps me motivated to learn new things, to learn new technologies, to learn trends, current market situation. It always motivates me to understand the current scenario very well through the younger generation. So, for the motivation purpose, I have connected with the education sectors so far, and hopefully it will continue just same as like this.
Great answer, ma'am. So ma'am, my next question is how does the curriculum of the marketing department of the SAL Institute of the Management ensure the best practice of industry, and it will help to students to connect with the ongoing practice in the industry?
Okay. Interesting question. So this curriculum, the whole part of syllabus drafting of marketing, it is very interesting that it implicates almost all the possible implications in the market. Talking about the subjects of the marketing, it involves integrated marketing communication, which involves advertisement and sales and promotions. Then talking about sales and distribution, it talks about logistics. Talking about consumer behavior, that talks about the behavior, the whole psychological part. Then strategic management. So the syllabus have drafted in such a manner that it involves all the practical, real implications that can be possible in the market to implicate. If we talk about consumer behavior, we can always have consumer surveys on our part, and to understand what are the current scenario of consumer, what consumer really wants, what are the needs of consumers. So we can understand what we can provide to the consumers and what are their requirements. If we talk about advertisement, we can always know in the syllabus they have included the part of how can we design advertisement, how can we design the sales promotion part, how can we distribute coupons, what are the effective manners of providing advertisement in TV channels or in radio, what are the prime times we can select off, what are the lazy times we can select off, what are the times in which we can save our money, which can be very effective as well as economical, and what are the times which can be with the prime offers and to be implicated in the market. So it talks about as a whole, the whole marketing syllabus talks about how do we attract the consumers, how do we connect with the consumers, how do we know what they want, and how do we provide them what they want. So yes, the syllabus, the curriculum of marketing as a whole involves all the possible resolutions to know the possibilities, to know the problems of the consumers, to identify needs and wants from the survey, from the questionnaire, and how do we implicate it. Through what source, through what channel, through what way we can implement it. Whether it can be about the logistics, how can we rethink about the packaging, how do we rethink about the sales and distribution, how do we rethink about the social media. So in this institute, in SAL Institute of Management, we have social media committee. So what we are doing is we create our social media page, we create awareness regarding SAL Institute of Management's result, management's placements, what are we providing. So students would be going through all these details of results, how are we doing, what are the achievements of us. and then they get attracted to us, and then they come to us for the admission purpose or for the awareness purpose. We are doing that. So yes, whatever in the theory, we are actually implementing it. Whatever the syllabus is teaching us, we are actually implementing us with the various communities.
Great, ma'am. Really insightful answers.
Thank you.
Okay, so ma'am, my next and last question is, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Okay. So as far as I know, this generation is very active, very practical, and they know very well what the requirements of the market, right? But a small suggestion from my side is, have you imagine yourself from 5 years down the line, what you will do, what is your dream, where do you see yourself from five years down the line, and then you prepare yourself. You prepare for your interview, you prepare for your placements, you prepare for your body language, for your postures, for your interview techniques, and do not rely only on theoretical knowledge. Please, be prepared for having practical implications. Be ready to be on the field, have experience of marketing activities, have experience of current scenario of the market. So yes, this is all about from my side. Thank you.
And thank you for giving these really great answers. And once again, I want to say thank you from my side and from the College Dunya for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thought on Education.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.